Hi employers, welcome to the Jobringer portal. In this, we will walk through the process of posting a job listing to attract potential candidates for your organization. So let's get started. Now here on the web browser, type www.jobringer.com. Now here on the home page, there is a post a job button. Locate and click on it. Now to access your employer's account, put your credentials by typing your business ID and password. Now from here you can start posting jobs. Scroll down and go through the form. From here you can autofill the job from previous or saved jobs. Now start posting by adding job title. Now I'm posting a vacancy of fashion designer. Now select work mode. Over here we have a drop down. Now select employment type and employment specification. Permanent, on contract, fixed term employment, internship, freelancing. Now write a clear and engaging job description that outlines the roles and responsibilities. Now add keywords accordingly, and the keyword limit is up to 8. Now select state and job location. And now here you have to select industry type, functional areas, CTC, gender preference, experiences. Now select the function. Now add job role. You can also select multiple job roles. Now select experience. Minimum to maximum experience. Now if you want to select gender preference, you can select it. Open to hire for fresher or intern, differently abled, and so on. Now select CTC range. We have two options over here, INR and dollar. And select salary range from salary to. Now add your email ID. Your business email ID will automatically appear in the drop down. Now review form, and if you want to edit something, you can edit now. You can hide salary details by clicking on the checkbox. Now post the job. Now job posted successfully. If you want to log out, just go on the top right button, and if you want to re-edit your job, just click on this icon and re-edit, and select on next, review, and post. And if you want to delete, just click on that icon. And this is how you log out. This is how you do the posting. Thank you and all the best in finding the perfect candidate for a role.